Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to do a colorful look. I feel like I have achieved that. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned. Okay, so I changed my mind on the look I wanted to do. I erased the footage, that's why I'm saying it. I'm going to be taking the Jamrock Rebirth eyeshadow palette from Playing in Makeup by Yolando. And this is what it looks like. So the look I wanted to do, I'm going to save that for another day. I know exactly what to do. I know what palette I'm going to do. But I'm going to start off with this eyeshadow palette here. We're going to do this look, this other look that I want to do. So I'm going to go in with Gal or maybe Bobby. I'm going to go in with Gal on a fluffy brush. You already know. You know, I do the reverse method, put it in the crease. So we're going to keep it moving. Okay, so surgery is over. You already know that I love this brush. I gotta get y'all one. But anyway, we're gonna get into this look. I haven't been talking much and kikiing. I've been just trying to pump out these videos. But you know, I'm here to slay. So we're gonna move on. Okay, I want y'all to know me, get to know me. I'm Diana, what's your name? Yeah. I want to talk more on my videos, but it's kind of hard to talk and then do makeup because it's going to make your videos super, let me move y'all over here, super long, but you know, it's okay. I'm going to take this ink pen brush from the crayon case number 3 with some NYX glitter glue. It's over here. Put some on the back of my hand, and I'm going to go in with these pigments. I'll list them on my Instagram posts. Follow your girl. Check your girl out. I'm always on Instagram, always posting, always doing something. I'll definitely tag you. Not tag you. If you want me to tag you, I'll tag you. But I'll definitely tag the colors that I use because I'm going to tag it in my post once I do the post to let them know that the video is up. I always list the key products. This is one of the key products. I always list key products because I use a lot of things, but you want to know what are the things that you should be getting. And I feel like this is what you should get. Foundation, you know, an eyeshadow palette, like things like that. I will list my foundation, my concealer. You can use whatever you want to use. But enough of me talking. I'm going to pat this on and move on with the colors. Taking this liner, this Epic Wear liner from NYX, and I'm going to do my wing. Pretty colors. I want something to pop. I feel like the blue won't do it, so let's do it. So I'm liking it. I'm liking it so far. I just added some more blue liner. I'm going to move on to the face. As you know, I've been doing my face off camera just to save time, and it's the same products, the same techniques. I'm gonna come back and we're gonna contour, we're gonna highlight, we're gonna pop on a unit. You know what I mean? Yeah. You know, I got you. Don't want to show you the same things over and over. I'm gonna use the tailor-made Jane method. You already know how that go. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I did my foundation off camera, like I stated before. To set all over, I'm going to use the MAC Studio Fix NC55 powder. And I'm just going to push this into the skin. I love Studio Fix powder, especially if you want a little more coverage. I don't need full coverage, but I like, I love, I need, I want, I will have full coverage. I love this powder. I have NC55, 50, NC55, 50. I have NC45 and 43 for under my eyes. So I feel like I'm going to use 43 under my eyes. So I've been using 43 lately. I usually use 45. But I'm going to, I didn't even contour with this. I brought this out to do my face today. I used the LA Girl Pro Concealers as my foundation. I did the tailor-made Jane method. So I use Deep Cocoa for my contour. I use Warm Honey under my eyes. I use Toffee as my foundation. And I used Creamy Beige to just brighten up under my highlight even more. So you don't really have to use foundation anymore. I've been using concealers. Just dibbling and dabbling. I have a lot of makeup, so I'm like, why not utilize the makeup that you have? You don't always have to use a foundation. So that's what I did today. And I like the coverage. It's still cute. Under eyes are bright, and you can't go wrong. You know, LA Girl concealer. About to say LA Girl concealers are amazing. So yeah, oldie but goodie. Had to go back. You know, even though you buy new makeup and new powders and new this and new that, it's always good to go back to your tried and true. So that's what I did today. So I brought out some stuff that I love. I brought out my Coco Naughty bronzer by Fenty. So I'll be using that to contour. I'm just gonna use that on a fluffy brush. Just get that. I love this powder. I don't really have a lot of Fenty products, but you know what I do have I like a lot. I'm just gonna put this under here. I'm actually gonna bronze with, I didn't bring it, I thought I did. I want to use my Ebony Bronze bronzer. I didn't get that, but I'm gonna skip that for now. I'm just gonna push my bonnet back a little bit. I'm about to put my unit on. You already know. And take some pictures and stuff like that. But yeah, this LA Girl, this concealer, baby. LA Girl concealer is so good. I'm going to use a smaller brush and I'm going to contour down the bridge of my nose. Just trying to get this nose contoured down. I mean, I've been getting better at it and making my nose smaller and smaller. Not to say I hate my nose, but nose contour is something I still try to work on and I still struggle with from time to time. So yeah, and I'll just take a bigger brush and I'll just, and I didn't highlight under my eyes yet. I didn't bake. I just used the powder from Makeup by Yolanda to set, but I'm going to be going in with some banana powder just to basically set and make sure that my highlight is really popping. But I want to contour before I do all of that. Because sometimes, you know, you can over contour. So I have my I can't talk today. I have my banana powder. And I don't know about you, but my nose always tickles when I'm doing my makeup. I don't know if it's a straight hair or powder, but it's kind of crazy. I'm going to use that on this sponge I got from the crayon case. This is their, I'm not sure what it's called, but you'll see it on their site. It's the only pink sponge she has. So I'm going to undercut my cheek. This is something I love to do. I'm supposed to drag it, but I hate to drag. So I always just pounce it. I'm going to set my chin, set down the bridge of my nose. Set my forehead, and I'm gonna go back in and I'm just gonna make sure that that nose contour is solidified. Okay, now I'm gonna go on the sides of my nose because I find in pictures right here sometimes it looks kind of weird. Push the powder here. And I would rather bake with the banana powder. So now that we have that, I'm going to grab my contour powder because I want to chisel out my cheeks. So I'm going to be using the CoverGirl Ebony Bronze Queen Collection bronzer. That's a mouthful. So this is the Ebony Bronze Bronzer like I was talking about from CoverGirl. So this is so dark. I love it so much. I love this and the contour palette from Black Radiance, but I actually love this one better. This is really, really dark, so you gotta be careful. I usually just sit it into it, knock it off, and then I just pat where I want it. You see how deep? Like, look at my contour before. Now look at it now. This is no joke right here. I used to swipe this all over my face. Just like, you know, like, girl, you know, we're going to go to... And I would get to work and I would be chiseled and I would love it. But it'll be too dark. Like, so this, you got to take your time. Take your time. And whatever's left, I'll just go over my forehead with. I'm not going to go down the bridge of my nose with this. I feel like it's way too dark. I'm going to touch up right here with whatever's left of the banana powder because that Ebony Bronze Bronzer is no joke. And I don't want it to be super dark before it's time. I'm going to add a little bit more because I feel like I need some more. Because this bronzer is so deep and it kind of went over here. So we're going to tighten that up. A little triangle. Now I can sweep it because it's already in place. But when I'm setting it, no ma'am. Then I'm going to take this brush. This is the brush I use to set my face. I'm going to use this to just blend out the line of demarcation you may have. I don't have any, but just in case. And the face is fine. I'm going to be right back. I'm going to plop on. I'm going to plop on my unit, girl. I'll be right back. So I'm going to take this NYX pencil. This is in the color yellow. My hands are super duper white because I've been washing them 100 times an hour. So don't come because I did not sin. Okay. Okay, so that's not working. I'm going to use a white pencil. That's not working. So I'm going to use this white pencil from Ruby Kisses. It's really, really white. So I'm going to use this instead and then pack that on because that yellow wasn't coming on at all. So I'm going to take this brush. This is from BH Cosmetics, no name. It's the polka dot set. We all know this set from BH Cosmetics, girl. And I'm just going to take that yellow and I'm going to pack it on. Okay, so this is what we have. I don't want my camera to be tired of me. So I'm going to pop my lashes on off camera. So I decided to use these. I'm going to come back and highlight. I'm going to knock off this powder now because I don't want it to sit on my face too much. But yeah, I'm going to give my camera a break because I've been filming all day and she deserves a break. I'm not going to do anything. I'm going to just let the camera cool down. It's a little hot. And I'll be back to finish the look, but I'm going to have my lashes packed on and I'll probably just touch up my brow because I do need to fill them back in. So I'm just going to do that off camera, but I'm going to highlight, lips, all of that on camera, spray down, final reveal. So I'm not going to miss anything, but I want the camera to cool down, so I'll be right back. Hit it with some Fix Plus, not too much. I'm going to be highlighting with Golden Bronze Iridescent Loose Highlighter from MAC. And I'm just going to let my face settle in for a second. And then I'm going to start to highlight. You got to let your face dry a little bit. It can't be too much. But it can't be too wet either. I'm going to take that on the Jaclyn Hill J809. I like to work off of the cap when it comes to highlighters because too much goes too crazy. So just enough is fine. So that's why I just work out of the cap. So I'm going to take NARS Loose Orgasm Highlighter. So I'm going to use that on the same brush and I'm going to work off the cap. I used to like a lot of highlighter. I don't like that anymore. I just like a little bit, so I'll work off the cap. Get some and proceed. Okay, so we're gonna move on. We're gonna move along. I'm prolonging this video. I don't know why. Let's just get it done. Get it done, girl. Get it done, girl. Sorry. I'm gonna be taking, this is Downtown Beauty, right? Yeah, Downtown Beauty from NYX. This is in the suede lip liner category. So I put on a lip plumper. I don't need it, but you know, a little extra cushion for the pushing won't hurt. So I use that, wiped it off. It's from Too Faced. I put it back. It's their lip injection. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. I put it back. I don't know. It's in my makeup bag. It's a Too Faced lip injection original, and then I have the strawberry one, I believe. But let me just line my lips. But yeah, I love to use that sometimes, not all the time, just to give me like an extra pout. I feel like it just burns your lip. It doesn't really like plump your lip, but I like it either way. Please forgive me. Forgive me. My hands are at, well, this one, I'm a righty, so my right one is ashy. I'm cooking, I'm doing makeup, I'm watching the news, trying to be productive. Don't come for your girl. Lotion my hands, because Lord, no. So I have that. I like to pull in my corners just for that pouty look. I like, my lips are full, but I love the illusion of like a full ombre lip. I'm kind of obsessed. So this is MAC Shrimpton. This is a satin lipstick, so it's not too drying and it's not too slippery like a luster, which is like really creamy, like a cream sheen, or like an amplified. This is like a kind of a matte, but it's not too drying. Wow, I had to like think back in my memory bank to explain that. I used to get that a lot at work. Like, what is a satin? What is a matte? What is the amplified? What is a cream sheen? What is a satin? What is a luster? What's the difference between a matte and a retro matte? What's the difference between a liquid lipstick and Grand Illusion? Like, that is so out of my brain right now. So I had to think back how to explain it. But enough of me rambling. This is so pretty. Okay. So you're going to go back in with your lip liner and we're going to start to just apply it where you feel like you need it. How would you know where you need it? If you see one side is like darker than the other, or one is like not all the way filled in right, you'll know if your lip is fully blended because it'll look uniform. So you're gonna I'm gonna be using the So Juicy glosses from ColourPop. This is in the color Partly Rowdy. I'm gonna just plop that on. Peachy, kind of pinky. It's a peachy nude with slight shimmer in it. My trick, I take a brush and you'll see all this gloss. Wipe that off and I'll do it again on this side. And yes, so you're not gonna get like that goopy and I talk, I feel it feels weird only because I don't know, once I get used to the gloss on my lips, then I won't talk weird. But you will feel it's really gloppy in the middle, so that's why I do this. You could take a Q-tip, you could do it with your finger, you can do it with your brush. I did it with my brush, one, because these are my personal brushes. This is not the brushes that I'll use to do makeup on other people, so I can do that. I clean my brushes, the handle and everything, so I can do that. Someone used a Makeup Revolution Mix and Fix, right? No, it's Calming Makeup Fix Spray. Get it together. And this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed my video on this colorful look. Trying to be creative and think out the box. Until my next one, I'll see you guys later. Bye guys.